My name is Mara and I'm from Brazil. Thank you.
Alright.
I'm gonna try.
How long have you been dancing?
17 years now. I like that moment when I give the audience my dance, my art. I really like the exchange. I give my art and the audience give me back their energy through claps. I feel very happy when that happens, always. And what I hate about being a dancer is just like the injuries, because when you're injured, like you have to stop and you start overthinking that you're not good enough and drives me crazy.
Yeah.
Spent like a whole terrible year. The doctor said like maybe you're not gonna be able to dance again, so it's very... No, I'm feeling better now.
Oh, that's good.
When I got injured, I had to stay almost a year without dancing. So my biggest comeback would be like in Brazil, this huge competition that we have. And I was so nervous about it. So I did, and after that I went to this area where we meet up our friends there, and there a lady came up to me and she said like, congratulations, you were beautiful. She said like, you gave me goosebumps, and I don't know, I just want to cry watching you. So at that moment I want to cry too, because I was so afraid and I didn't believe myself. So I kind of needed that to really come back. Like I really thought I'm on the right place and this is what I need to be. I shouldn't like doubt myself so much. Point shoes. Yes, because like I was very excited to wear it. Okay. So like I couldn't wait, and in school like the first year you don't get to wear it, but I got my already. So so that was my favorite thing, point shoes. It was like a dream. Nikia from La Baia there, because I think she's a caring character, but she also has a strong personality. So I feel like I'm like that. I do care about people. I try to treat everybody equally, but I actually have a strong personality. So I thought it was very different. Like it's delicate, unique.
Oh, unique.
Unique, yeah. Very different, like I said before, very unique. Yeah. This is difficult. Because, okay, I like the tank top. I was wearing also like the short, high-waisted short, but also the black leotard. It's difficult to choose. So thank you for watching. Bye.